Welcome to the channel. My name is Mike, and this is the Ouachita Mountain Living, and that's just what it is. Cabin is nestled in between the Ouachita Mountains. There's some there. Those mountains go all the way back to Hot Springs. If you were to drive it, it would take you almost 2 hours to get there, but if you was to fly over, you'd probably be there in 15 minutes. And on this side, this is a cabin I purchased in 2014. It was a mess. I renovated it last year. I added on a dog apartment, added on a lower screened-in patio and an upper deck. It's still a work in progress. I have 5 dogs and currently 5 puppies. They are going on a transport to Minnesota next week. It has been hectic. And this channel previously was here under a different name, so if you're an old subscriber, it's still me. We're just doing a little more, opening up a little more, so I'm not stuck to one subject. So it's just an intro video. Just do all kinds of things here. I'm a man in my late 50s. Trying to keep up with all this, and sometimes it's hard and sometimes it's fun. We sweat, yeah, we ache, but I get it done. So if you want to subscribe, I appreciate that. Not gonna put a whole lot of content, maybe at least a video a week, but I'm not gonna say I ain't gonna do more. And here's my garden this year. Yeah, we're doing good. There's Waldo. You want to say hi, Waldo? Who, whoa. Say who, whoa. You gonna say hello? Okay, you got the hello from Waldo. I will talk to you guys soon. Happy trails.